Okay, I want to share these MySwap airdrop with you now. Then it is looking like a lottery. Then I don't know if they will choose my address later. I don't know, but I want to participate. People participate to this now. Then you also complete task for them. Then if you have a chance, you will be selected. Then let me see. I want to complete. I started already. Let me see. Airdrop 500 NFT plus 1 million MST airdrop. And then I want to continue the task. The name here MySwap, and they distribute Zodiac, the name of the token Zodiac, and they use OKX chain blockchain, but they use also it is compatible with Ethereum. Then I answered already this question. I subscribe to the Telegram channel. Now join our official Telegram group. Then I click and continue my task. Continue my task. Continue my task. Stop loading now. Okay, then I click and join and go back. Now continue. Well, I have to enter my Telegram username, but I entered it already on the first question. Follow MySwap DAO on Twitter. Then I click on it, click on follow, clicking on follow, and then I will follow the Twitter account there. Here now I have to follow. I'm going to follow. I click on follow, and also on the bell to be updated at time. Then I go back. Okay, then I click on continue. Continue, retweet MySwap DAO on Twitter. Retweet, and then I'm going to retweet they post. Okay, then I want to retweet now. As a retweet here. I retweet and see. Retweet, then I'm going back now. Okay, this take a time also. Then now what am I going to do here? Oh, then I click on continue also and see yes. Then tweet on Twitter, tweet on Twitter, tweet on Twitter. I click on tweet. Okay, I'm going to tweet these now. I click on that button. Tweet. Okay. Here is my tweet. Okay, post. Oh wow. I come back and then I click on continue. Okay, these take time. Follow our official Medium page. Then I click on it, click on the button and follow this step. Now I'm going to follow the Medium here. Announcement product, MySwap at the DAO. Click. Oh, I need to sing. Then I continue. Submit your OKEX chain OEC. Okay. Type 20. Okay. Can use the Ethereum address. Then I'm going to copy. Okay. Then I'm going to submit now my Ethereum address. Okay. Continue. And then here is my referral link now. My referral link. Then if we have lucky, if we are lucky, if we have chains, then we will get these token. Then I want to share now on Twitter. Then it is finished already. Okay. Then I click on tweet. Then join now, participate. If you have chance, you will get the token for free.